Introducing the Fitcamx Dashcam, designed specifically for Volvo XC90, XC60, XC40, S90, B90, S60, B60, and Polestar vehicles. This dashcam seamlessly replaces your original rearview mirror cover, maintaining the car's sleek aesthetics while enhancing safety and convenience. Featuring 4K UHD resolution to 160p and powered by a Novatek chip with an f1.6 aperture lens, the Fitcamx captures clear and detailed videos of your driving environment. Its CMOS sensor ensures enhanced image performance, providing clarity in every aspect of your journey. Equipped with wide dynamic range technology, the dashcam excels in low-light conditions, ensuring clear footage day or night. It captures crucial details such as license plates and road signs for comprehensive documentation. The device supports loop recording, automatically overwriting old footage with new recordings to ensure continuous operation. The built-in G-sensor detects sudden impacts, preserving relevant footage and preventing disputes in case of accidents. Fitcamx offers flexible configurations to meet different needs, from 4K front-only to dual-camera setups combining front and rear views, or even a 360 rotation rear camera for comprehensive coverage. In summary, the Fitcamx Dashcam blends easy installation with high-resolution video capture, superior night vision capabilities, and essential safety features. It integrates seamlessly with your Volvo or Polestar too, providing peace of mind and enhancing safety on every journey. The dashcam supports seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting old footage with new content when the memory card is full. This ensures continuous recording without manual intervention. Additionally, the built-in G-sensor detects sudden collisions or impacts, automatically saving and locking relevant footage. This feature safeguards critical evidence and helps prevent disputes in accident situations. Equipped with a powerful Novatek chip and a large f1.6 aperture lens, the Fitcamx captures videos in stunning 4K UHD resolution to 160p. This high resolution ensures crystal clear video quality, enabling you to see every detail of your driving environment with enhanced clarity. The CMOS sensor further enhances image performance, making driving details more vivid and reappearing every aspect of your journey. Replacing your original back cover with the Fitcamx Dashcam is quick and straightforward. It seamlessly integrates into the shape of your car's rearview mirror cover, maintaining a low-key fashion style that perfectly matches your vehicle's aesthetics.